Главное, что она не на нас. Так, 54-та бригада, механізована, другий батальйон відбив.
This is incredible footage. An attack by Wagner PMC was repelled by Ukrainians, resulting in significant losses for the attacker.
Куча валяється, і тут вокруг їх, блядь, пачками лежать. Може чоловік 50-60 десь є. Вони скрізь тут, як підсніжники.
And here we can see the Russian tank burning in the distance, and real combat in Ukrainian trenches.
Главное, что она не на нас.
Кому холодно, приходите, у нас горячие курорты.
А? Семена память.
Горячие источники, горячие курорты.
Горячий курорт приглашаем.
And this is exclusive look inside the Bakhmut trenches of the armed forces of Ukraine.
So I'm here with the 209th Battalion from Kharkiv, and they are defending Bakhmut from the Russian terrorists. And we have Captain Alexei, who you've met a few times. You met him in Zolochev, and now he's taken his men down here to just outside the city. And they're in the positions where you can see it's very cold. And so they have underground stove warming up the positions down in the trenches. And does anyone want to show me inside? So they've built this subterranean lair. This is literally trench life on the front lines in Bakhmut. Dobre. And this is how they take their position. You can see the chainsaw, which they use to help build it, the wood surrounding it, weapons at the ready, small arms. And where is the stove that we saw? The oven? The stove? No? Okay. No problem.
It's not finished.
Okay.
It's only start. Inside equipment, this underhouse protective, but it's very safety here, because here one line of the foot, then approximately half meter of ground, then strong line, and then 2 meters of ground. So it's very protective underground building. It's very safety.
And you can see the amazing construction that went into this not yet completed edifice, and just a small amount of light peeking upstairs. Ah, here's the stove we were looking for.
Yes.
Yes, here it is.
It's really condition in the front line.
And this is how frontline life is in the trenches in Bakhmut, as the defenders of Ukraine, the heroes of Ukraine, are stopping the Russian advances and killing off the Russian invaders. December 27th, 2022. More to come from Bakhmut.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.